Morning, Monday morning. Haven't been doing any filming yet this morning. It was a wedding anniversary, so I was doing that this morning with my wife. Went to what we thought was going to be breakfast, turned into lunch because we're busy. So, on the phone trying to pull permits, get meetings set up, get jobs scheduled, and you can notice I'm in the passenger seat of the pump truck. Yep. We are at the dump facilities here. Ethan's getting us dumped. I had him hooking us up, getting us ready today. He's been getting the trailers, machines, everything ready, checking fluids, air pressure, greasing everything, washing everything. And he called and I gave him instructions, hooked the pump truck up to the tag to load up the talk. And thankfully he didn't. He's catching on with his experience. And I left the pump truck completely full from the other night. And so here we are dumping this as we're rallying up, getting ready to grab all our material, finish up, loading up for today. We'll probably be done around 4 with that. Still got to hit the pipe supply. We got to load up the grinder, the crock, the control panel. And just got done dealing with the Lowboy company this morning. We got a 160 dropped off because it's in a bunch of quicksand pretty much. A lot of water, a lot of sand. It's not going to be fun. Don't even know if we'll catch video on it because it's just one of those sewers that kick the dog shit out of you. Brian and Ethan, or Brian and Matt, I should say, sorry. Come over. Brian had a meeting this morning for us. Sound promising on a barn pad driveway install. He met with the homeowner. They're over dealing with the first pump chamber today, putting in new pump and floats, testing electrical, just right down the road from the first call Saturday. And then Brian and I are going to go this afternoon back over to the one I was dealing with at night. The other Saturday, and start diagnosing the problems with the electrical, pumps, floats, control panel that's fritzing out, the wiring that's not even hardwired into the box properly on its own fuse. It's tied in somewhere, whether it's in a light socket or junction box or outlet. I don't really freaking know. It's going to be a nightmare. So just trying to get ready for tomorrow, finish today, keep all our clients moving on. And thank God for the guys, man. I really got to give it to them. Ethan, Brian, Matt, they're just solid guys. It takes a team, joint effort to do what we're doing, and they're rock stars, man. We'll make a good team, good pairing, but I can't do it without them. I know I take a lot of credit for a lot of things because it's fun, but really I'm behind the scenes a lot, and I'm rowing the boat sometimes, but without those guys, we wouldn't be here today. We wouldn't exist. So thank you. And thank you guys for watching. Well, here's a little update. That's our crock. That's our grinder. That's a belly. Getting ready to head out tomorrow. Got everything loaded up. We're stocking up, still touching everything up. We'll throw the crock and everything up there. Got the old little Ethan machine. Got pipe everywhere, 2-inch pump trucks getting loaded with Takeuchi right now. Look at Ethan. Trying to be nice and quiet because my wife's home. It's her anniversary. He don't get yelled at. This is all the behind the scenes stuff that nobody sees. Ethan's got her binded down. Handy dandy. They tight, Ethan?
They're tight.
All right. So what'd you do to get this machine ready today?
We washed it, topped off, and checked all the fluids.
Yeah?
Greased the whole thing.
You greased it all and everything?
Yeah, and then chained it down.
And there was one fitting that you forgot to grease.
Yeah.
Where was that at?
Right here on the bucket.
Did you grease it?
Not yet.
Or did you forget about it still?
No, I didn't forget. I just haven't done it yet.
Ethan just insists on not grease a fitting. It's been a year now And he does not grease that fitting right here on the top. It's a little square fitting. And Ethan, how come you constantly forget that fitting?
I don't know. I just have a bad memory.
You got a bad memory. Can you point it out for the audience, the one that you keep forgetting? Go ahead. Show us.
It's the one under here.
Uh-huh, that's the one right there. So you can point it out. You know which one you're forgetting. And yet, you still forget it.
Yeah.
Good Lord. So, what we get ready to do tomorrow?
Doing a sewer.
Yeah. What have you been doing all day today to get ready for the sewer?
Washing and loading up and checking everything, making sure it's good to go.
Yeah. All day. All day events. We just went and picked up a bunch of material. I forgot to unload the pump truck from Saturday's shenanigans. So, sounds like Brian is almost done. They had a control panel fritzing out on them after they changed the pumps and the float from Saturday's activities. We're running behind. We told the owners we'd be there 3:30. It's gonna be like 5:30. Brian's gonna be pissed because he wants to be home with his kids eating dinner. But I'm just a slave driver like that. We're gonna work because how many hours are in a day, Ethan?
24.
And if we work a half a day, it's what?
12 hours.
12 hours. Get used to it, Furnace. There, Brian just got here. He just got out of the truck. Let's see what he's doing.
Save the day again.
Dude,
Save the day again.
really?
Where have you been?
Working.
Working where?
What do you call this?
This is world champion, baby. World champion.
Matt, you know anything about this?
I
this
worked the
belt?
whole job. You didn't notice?
What do you think about this belt?
You know
Look
why
at-
he didn't notice? He's just used to working with a champion.
This just ridiculous. Look at
This
this.
is what's bringing in the paycheck. Where have you been working all day? The shop.
Yeah,
You've been at the
the
shop
shop.
all day.
Look at this.
Who's been out in the field?
Brian, we're in the septic.
The champion.
We're in the septic industry.
Yeah, the champion's been out in the field making money for the company while you're in here
Champion.
just spending money.
Champion turd wrestler.
Champion turd wrestler. Although they don't have that's a brown belt.
What have you been doing today?
You sent us on a fantastic little septic repair. We get over there, get the pump and the new floats in,
Yeah.
and it still doesn't work. The pump the pump won't kick on. And then it kicks on and stays on. And then every time we lift any of the floats, the alarm comes on. So the control panel was bad, so we had to redo the control panel. Just finish that up.
Perfect.
And now what do we get to do? Like,
We're
I don't
off-
even know what we're
We're
doing.
off to the same thing. It's almost like deja vu. That was my
boy.
Saturday.
Oh boy.
So we're going to get going. The boys are doing some wheel bearings real quick on
On a horse trailer?
horse trailer. Say hi, gentlemen.
Hi, gentlemen.
Good Lord.
Because we use horse trailers in our line of work. Uh-huh.
All right, we're going to go wrangle another one and we'll get you guys in a little bit.
We ought to start doing that for Melissa too. If you have an external, well, you record direct to your phone. Yeah, never mind.
I don't record
never mind.
because it's too complicated for me.
Yeah. Never mind.
Yes,
Never
don't worry about it.
So Rick, what did we just do?
We look like heroes is what we just did.
Who look like heroes?
Me.
So
Rick taking credit.
Rick went out-
Son, baby.
Rick went out Saturday, failed at diagnosing, failed at even turning the power off until he had to break open the control panel like a wild animal.
Hey, I cut the lock off on the control panel because it was midnight. And all I had was a flashlight and grinder and I wanted to go to bed.
Yeah.
So I cut open the control panel.
And so Monday, here we are. He has to call out the champion. And it took how long? 15, 20 minutes to diagnose? Boom. Just like that.
Yeah, you're right.
Know exactly where the shutoff is, know exactly what the problem is, know exactly what the fix is.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
But you know what? You got lucky because I set you up for success. Because earlier this morning, you did the same exact system that's out there.
That is true.
And you
so,
wouldn't have had that if I didn't pump both valves
That's
at the
right.
moment.
Thank
Saturday.
you.
You're
Thank you,
wel-
Rick.
I teed you up for success.
So that
right?
was pretty incredible, totally by coincidence.
Yeah.
This morning I go out and I do a pump and a control panel from this company that I've never done before. And so we troubleshooted, figured it all out. So I have my
the-
training wheels done.
the
And then
control panel was fritzing out, or the guts was messed up?
It's just old. It's old mechanical hardware, and it's 20 years old, and it's been cycling for 20 years straight. So it's just worn out. And so just by coincidence, we go to this second job that's 45 minutes away from the first one. We happen to be on the exact same control panel, exact same pump, and the house was built within like 3 or 4 months of the other one. They were both built in '98, so both of these
probably
panels
the same
failed.
Installer.
I don't know. I didn't look on
I
the
think we're
tank
chasing
cover.
like a phantom septic
be.
installer.
But I will say, as a testament to whatever this company is that I can't remember the name, like you got to give it to them for consistency,
Yeah.
because they failed within just a few months of each other.
Dude, what happened? You believe in like ghost at all?
No, I don't.
Spirits?
Not really. No. I mean, but you know what? Let's just say I did.
Sources?
Where were you going with that?
I think there is a dead ghost that was a septic installer. That was his career.
You're just going
That
around.
is just literally throwing us the jobs that he was on, and we're following his footsteps in his path.
Well,
Huh? What do you think?
I think that might be a little bit of a stretch, but you know, maybe you're onto something.
Maybe like we'll drive past a house and just get a cold chill down the spine, like somebody's watching us.
It's like the Sixth Sense, but with poop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you see it?
I see smelly people.
Yeah. I mean, you think about it. How many people have sucked out of that tank
That's true.
that are dead now?
That's got to be it.
Yeah.
20 years.
But you ever hear about people like they go somewhere and all of a sudden they like went ghost hunting, they follow somebody and all of a sudden they bring something back and they hear a cupboard slam?
So maybe we need to carry one of those little meters around that starts
A
to
cross.
wind.
Need a cross first.
Garlic necklace.
Yeah. You know what I want to get? I want to get a troll.
Like a treasure troll?
Yeah. Like a troll.
Like with a gem in its belly button?
Yeah. A troll.
I could just buy you a gem and you can put it in your belly button and then you could be the troll.
Well, I could walk around, tuck the shirt up here.
Yeah. Let the belly hang out with the gem in it.
I don't think they would.
If you got one of those butt plugs with the gem, it probably would fit right up in there.
Plug. Ooh. Ooh, you're taking Culpepper style.
That's it.
I don't think our guests want to see that.
That's true.
You know what?
You know what? Comment down below if you would like to see Rick shove a gem butt plug in his belly button like a treasure troll.
You know what I was thinking? If we ever get to 100,000 subscribers, one of us is taking a shit bath from the septic truck.
You're gonna do it. So just so we're on the same page.
Full-blown
Hang on.
fountain power discharge.
Before you really commit to this,
Oh yeah.
you do realize we're already halfway to 100,000 subscribers. You don't want to put a loftier goal out
how
there.
many years did it take?
About 3. So you're willing to, and we're accelerating in
You know
growth.
what? You're right. You know what? Let's add 100,000 to it. So we're at 50 now.
So you want
150. Let's go 100,000 from today.
150,000 subscribers, and Rick will take a shit bath.
Yeah. What we'll do is we'll suck up. We'll leave the truck loaded for the weekend.
Okay.
We'll let it get hot. It'll be like a sauna. You guys can watch, and what we'll do is, so those pump trucks are cool. It's all vacuum, so they run off of the pump.
Mm-hmm.
You can either power in and suck, or you can power out and blow. And we will go full send. We're going to flip a coin. I said us. We'll flip a coin.
Flip a coin for what? So now, hang on. You're already Rickifying this. So you're saying we collectively, you're dragging me into this, taking a shit bath.
Are we both filming right now? We're both filming.
But now we're flipping a coin, so there's a 50-50 chance that you pull me into this and I'm the only one that gets covered.
No, let's go 50-50 like a quarter flip. Let's go heads.
I don't even know if they can see us still, because this thing scoots around a little
Let's
bit.
go heads, because you look like the guy on the head side with no hair.
Yeah.
And we'll go tails for me.
Okay.
Deal?
No, I'm still not agreeing to something where I didn't want to do it to begin with, and now there's a chance I'm the only one that does it. You know what? Stay still, camera. We're trying to film here.
If you had a chance to watch something like that, 50-50, you want to enter? What happens if it's me? You're going to laugh hysterically.
I don't have to enter the 50-50 because if I don't, it's guaranteed to be you, and I will laugh hysterically. You're not selling what you're trying to sell.
Are we filming together?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're filming you.
Then one of
There
us,
she goes.
one of us has to take it, and it's going to be a coin flip.
I'm just gonna let that one sit and rest for a while. So,
Okay.
on that note, we'll see you guys tomorrow on our what is it? A sewer tap?
Yeah, I was just saying earlier on the recording.
We're going for
Oh,
it.
look,
We're going
look,
for it.
look,
It's still
yellow. She's
Still
mellow, yellow, red.
Light
Pink.
pink. It
Look
was
at
fine.
look at happen when we try to create content for you guys. We're running pink
Rogue.
lights.
Just running rogue.
Pink lights. Good Lord.
What are we doing tomorrow?
We're doing a sewer tap tomorrow. I'm hoping we could get footage. I'm not sure we could get footage because it's like basically like quicksand. It's gonna be a bunch of sand,
So,
water.
OSHA would be all over it.
Yeah. It might get dicey when we might not be able to record.
Hey, before I forget,
What's that?
wear your seatbelt to the dump truck when you film. I just noticed that the other day.
You know,
You're just out there happily cruising around.
if you catch me on the back road, was I on the back road? Or was I on the main road?
Sure, you're totally on a back road.
You know, it's okay.
Mm.
We just want to show everybody we're not perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like talking on a cell phone.
Yeah.
Driving.
okay.
It's illegal.
We'll see you guys tomorrow on that job.
Good night.
Yeah.